y'all, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today I'm going to do a grocery haul for you. It's been a hot minute. I have had COVID, and I have just not been feeling good, so I am feeling much better now. So I'm going to bring you a grocery haul while the kids are in there. Hopefully I can hurry up and get it done before they get out of there, because summer's here for Jackson and he's not in school anymore, so or not in preschool, so I've got both of them for the summer, so I got to have a lot of food. So I'll start right here. I've got 10 pounds of potatoes. I really wanted those the other day and they were out, but now I did another grocery haul and I got 10 pounds, so I have some for a while. So I've got some garden rotini here. I love to make pasta salad, and you will be seeing a summer side video, and I'll be using some of that in it. I got some sweet potatoes. The boys love sweet potatoes, so I got a bag of those. They didn't have those either when they didn't have these, so they finally got them in stock. We've opened these already, but I've got a big old box of Honey Nut Cheerios. It's a mega size. They didn't have the regular Walmart kind, so they substituted that, which is fine. And I got the chocolate and peanut butter ones because I want to make some little bars for the boys. I got my favorite coffee creamer, caramel macchiato. Got to have that. I tried to make it homemade and it just was not the same. I'll try again, but it just did not come close to my caramel macchiato. Got some of these to make some strawberry shortcakes for Memorial Day. I've got some cheese here. I have been out, so I got that from Walmart. I usually get it from Aldi, but I hadn't been to Aldi in a while because I've been sick. Walmart pickup has been my best friend. So I got that cheese. I got some sour cream, some heavy whipping cream. I'm going to try and make my own whipped cream for some strawberry shortcakes with that, and some strawberries that I have cut up and put sugar on. I've got 2 crescent rolls. I always like to keep that in stock because they come in handy for so many different things. I got some eggs because we've lost another chicken, so we're down to 2 chickens and 3 ducks. So I got some pecans back there. I always like that in grape salad, and I hope to make a lot of that for the summer. I got some maple syrup, organic maple syrup. I got some honey. I got bacon. I got the wrong kind. I wanted the thick kind because if you don't get the thick kind, it's so paper thin. Even the thick kind is not thick, but it's thicker than this. But I had 2 different kinds in my cart and I deleted the wrong one. But I wanted to keep that for some breakfast. I've got Doug's buffalo chicken. I got some Black Forest ham. I only got a few slices because it seems like I waste so much ham because I eat a couple pieces out of it and then I don't eat any more of it. So I'm just going to get a couple slices at a time. Some pepperoni. I forgot to buy, I got Texas toast. I want to make some Texas toast pizzas with that and pepperoni and some pizza sauce. I got some dried apples and strawberries. I want to make the kids some little snacks. I had no idea that they had Nutella in a Great Value brand. I had no idea. I'd ordered this before and it was opened and it was smeared everywhere, so I returned it. I didn't have to actually return it, so I threw it away and got another one. We have been going through some cheese lately, so I got a big block of the Colby and Monterey Jack. Want to keep lettuce on stock because I like to have salads during the summertime. I got some lunch meat for Doug for a quick breakfast. Got some donut shop just in case I want a cup of coffee and I don't want to make a big pot. Some butter grits. The boys love grits, and sometimes you don't have time to make the 5-minute kind, so I got those. Some chips for Doug's lunches. They substituted this water for the regular Walmart water. I always try to get 3. I got 3 of those. They substituted the Deer Park. Hey! And I got some carrots. I didn't realize I got this big of a bag. Carrots, yeah. I got 3 packs of crust mix. I'm running low on that. And I got some flour tortillas. What is that? Blue, yeah. So, I made it through. Yeah, carrots. So this is my grocery haul, my Walmart pickup grocery haul. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.